If you're between 35 and 45 years old, you're at a pivotal stage in life. You've likely gained some experience in your career, developed a clearer sense of your goals, and perhaps even started a family. But if you're feeling like your financial future isn't as secure as you'd like, now is the time to take action. The good news? You still have plenty of time to build wealth. If you're intentional, disciplined, and strategic, here's how you can do it. You need to assess where you are right now. Before you can move forward, you need to know where you stand. Take a hard look at your finances. How much do you have saved? What's your debt situation? What are your monthly expenses? You can't build wealth if you don't have a clear picture of your starting point. Create a budget, track your spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. This is your foundation, and it's crucial to get it right. You must prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. If you're carrying high-interest debt like credit card balances or personal loans, it's eating away at your ability to save and invest. You need to tackle this head-on. Focus on paying off your highest interest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once you're free from high-interest debt, you'll have more money to put toward your wealth-building goals. You should maximize your earnings potential. At this stage in your career, you likely have valuable skills and experience. Are you leveraging them to their fullest? If you're not earning what you're worth, it's time to change that. Consider asking for a raise, switching to a higher-paying job, or even starting a side hustle. You have the ability to increase your income, and every extra dollar you earn can be directed toward building wealth. You need to invest, and start now. If you haven't started investing yet, don't panic, but don't wait any longer. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth through investments. Even if you can only contribute a small amount each month, the power of compound interest will work in your favor over time. Focus on low-cost index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. If you're already investing, consider increasing your contributions. The more you invest now, the more you'll benefit later. You should diversify your income streams. Relying solely on your job for income is risky. You need to create multiple streams of income to protect yourself and accelerate your wealth building. This could mean investing in real estate, starting a side business, or even generating passive income through dividends or royalties. The more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. You must live below your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, especially as your income grows. But if you want to build wealth, you need to resist the urge to spend every dollar you earn. Live below your means, save aggressively, and avoid unnecessary expenses. The money you save today can be invested to create a brighter future for yourself. You need to plan for the long term. Building wealth isn't just about the next few years, it's about securing your future. You need to think about retirement, your children's education, and any other long-term goals you have. Create a financial plan that outlines how you'll achieve these goals and revisit it regularly to make sure you're on track. The more intentional you are about your future, the more likely you are to achieve it. You should protect what you're building. As you accumulate wealth, it's important to protect it. Make sure you have adequate insurance coverage, health, life, disability, and even umbrella insurance if necessary. You should also have an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will ensure that unexpected events don't derail your progress. You need to stay disciplined and consistent. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. You need to stay disciplined, even when it feels like progress is slow. Stick to your budget, keep investing, and avoid impulsive financial decisions. Consistency is key, and over time your efforts will compound into significant wealth. You can't afford to wait. If you're between 35 and 45, you still have time to build wealth. But you can't afford to waste it. Every year you delay is a year of lost opportunity. Start today, even if it's with small steps. The sooner you take action, the more control you'll have over your financial future. Final thoughts. It's about you. This is your life, your future, and your wealth. No one else is going to build it for you. By taking control of your finances, making smart decisions, and staying focused on your goals, you can create the financial security and freedom you deserve. The time to start is now, because your future self will thank you.